Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra with your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS software for optimal compatibility. Next, charge your Apple Watch Ultra to at least 50% before starting the process. Then, simply press and hold the side button on your watch to power it on. Finally, bring your Apple Watch Ultra close to your iPhone to automatically begin the pairing sequence. Once your devices are close, a Pair Apple Watch message will appear on your iPhone screen. Tap Continue and then hold your iPhone over the watch's unique animated pattern. If automatic pairing doesn't work, you can tap Pair manually and follow the on-screen prompts to enter a 6-digit code. Confirm the matching code displayed on both your watch and phone to proceed. Now, you'll have the option to set up your Apple Watch Ultra as a brand new device or restore it from a previous backup. After making your selection, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, sign in with your Apple ID to enable features like iCloud and Find My. You can also customize various settings, including text size, setting a passcode, and activity tracking preferences. Finally, wait for your Apple Watch Ultra to complete the data synchronization process with your iPhone. This might take a few minutes. Once finished, explore the dedicated Watch app on your iPhone for further customization and to manage your watch's settings. You can also install your favorite applications directly from your watch or phone. Now, you are ready to enjoy all the advanced features of your new Apple Watch Ultra.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.